Hey guys, welcome to my channel, my page. I am Jishan, and today I am sitting at Absolute Barbecue in Sector 62, Noida. So you can see. Let me show you something very strange. Now see. Any guesses? Yes, guys. The restaurant is closed, but not for me. So are you excited to listen to this story? Okay, go for it.
And on we'll
जी मैं हूँ एब्सोल्यूट बारबेक्यू इन नोएडा 62। और अभी आपको देख के लग नहीं रहा होगा क्योंकि ये सब बंद पड़ा है, ये सब कुछ ऑफ है। ये देखिए सब कुछ बंद पड़ा है, बट मैं इधर आया हूँ और अभी आई एम हैविंग माई फास्ट। तो मेरा आज का रोज़ा है। तो द स्टाफ मेंबर ऑफ this outlet Noida sector 62 is very helpful and great, and they are very loving people, and they start instantly cooking for me, although it was almost closed here. And you can see that it's almost closed, and no one is here, but for me these people are now back to work. You can see that here, and these people are working for me, these 2-3 peoples. And a big shout out to these people who are working for me. They are preparing food for me. And what above this, nothing. And I'm really happy to see this kind of hospitality and this kind of service over here. And I would like to thanks all the staff member of this Absolute Barbecue outlet over here. Yeah, so I would like to thanks the staff member Sanjay and all the team member who are cooking food for me over here. You can see. And it's almost 6 now, and after 20-30 minutes I'll have my iftar timing. So they are very kind, they are very loving people, and they are making for me. So I would like to thanks Mr. Shankar Pradhan, who has arranged all the food for me. I would like to thanks Mr. Sachin, who is a marketing killer of this Absolute Barbecue Instagram, and he was very loving and very smiling guy, and he's very positive, and he took all the feedback very seriously. And might be probably he is the reason why this outlet or this Absolute Barbecue is going upward. And I love this, and see, no one is here. They have almost closed, but they have opened for me, and they are cleaning over here, they are cooking for me, they are arranging each and everything for me. And yes, so this is the service which I like. And hopefully guys, you will like this video. And if you will have a chance, do come here. A big shout out to Sachin, the marketing boy of Absolute Barbecue. Sachin, I'm talking about you. And we have a great live session 2-3 days back, and I would love to definitely collab with you. So guys, best part is, dun-dun-dun. So ये रहा हमारा रमज़ान स्पेशल बॉक्स, एंड he is the main guy named Sanjay. He is the manager over here, and he is very humble and very sweet and very kind. He is working over here, and as you know that all the thing got closed. You can see over here nothing is open, but he especially opened everything for me. And a big shout out to Sanjay and all the team member who cooked for me and who ready this special Ramadan buffet for me. And a big shout out to Shivam, you as well. So this is the main guy, Sanjay. If you come to Noida 62 sector Absolute Barbecue, do come to Sanjay and meet him and greet him. He's a very nice guy. Bye bye.